Let's cook sinampalukang dalag. First, saute your garlic. Onion. Ginger. And tomato. Make sure your tomato is well cooked before adding your fresh, clean cut dalag. Mix it and let it cook for a bit. Now add some water, cover it, and let it boil. Now add your seasoning. We don't have fresh tamarind, so I add sinigang mix, magic sarap, pepper, and salt. I add some water to adjust in my desired taste. Now add your green chili and your pechay. Cover it